I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the controller is powered and the PC is ready. Turn the controller on and check batteries. Low power prevents pairing. On your PC, enable Bluetooth or plug a high-quality USB cable to force a wired connect. Make sure Windows Update and the Xbox Accessories app are installed because drivers and firmware often fix detection issues. Once done, press and hold the controller's pairing button for 3 seconds to start discoverable mode, and prepare to search for it on your PC. Next, you'll pair and verify drivers so the connection stays stable. In Windows, choose Add a Device right arrow Bluetooth, then select the Xbox controller when it appears. This completes standard pairing. If it doesn't appear, open Device Manager and look for unknown or flagged devices. Right-click to update or uninstall drivers so Windows reinstalls them. If Bluetooth refuses, test the controller via a direct USB cable to isolate wireless faults. Once those checks pass, firmware updates using the Xbox Accessories app can resolve lingering compatibility problems. To finish, verify functionality and fix remaining issues so you can play. Open Windows Game Controllers or the Xbox Accessories app to test buttons, sticks, and triggers, and calibrate if inputs are off. If pairing keeps failing, temporarily turn off nearby Bluetooth gadgets and reduce to 4 GHz Wi-Fi interference because signal noise breaks discovery. As a final move, perform a controller reset by holding the Bind menu and view buttons for 10 seconds. If problems persist, try the Xbox wireless adapter as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.